Hey everybody, it's Christine. It's time to do a layout share with my May 2023 layouts. I believe all of these had a process video, and I will have told you in there if there was a Scraplift Crafternoon or if it was a Mix It Up Monday or something along those lines. So I'll try to remember which paper collections and all that, but if I don't remember, it's definitely, I have a process video and you can definitely get it out of there. So this first layout was definitely a hip kit paper collection. And I did use a little stencil back here to create this little, you can kind of see this little shadowy grid thingy here on top of the grid. Then there's all these little like fabric flowers, which I really enjoyed. And the picture was of us from an Easter play years ago. This back when my father-in-law was still living, and we had done an Easter play. It's my little girl, 2003, yeah. Oh, I did use Nuvo drops, the little stone ones here. So you can kind of see, those are not enamel dots. Those are actually Nuvo drops. My iPad actually fell on these and squished them, but it's not too bad. This was also hip kit, and this was really cute. I really like this photo of a photo here. This is my daughter's hand holding it. I thought that was really cute. Used some chipboard circles, little floral stuff like that. I really enjoyed this layout. I thought this turned out real cute. This one is from the Counterfeit Kit Challenge. I'm on the design team now. I'm one of the master forgers. And these were from this was from my personal, like I did my counterfeit kit. These were the papers out of it. And then this was, I believe, a Scraplift Crafternoon. So this was really cute, actually. And I was kind of pleased because I didn't have a ton of papers left, I don't think. So this worked out really nicely. This one, this might have been Mixed Up Monday, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm trying to remember here because I remember using this and thinking, you know, I wouldn't normally do something like that. I don't go to think to pull out my mixed media just quite a bit, but this was fun. This was hip kit as well. I believe this was February 2023, and it had this cute animal print, and we were at the zoo, so I thought that went really good. And then there's this little font again. I think this is so cute here. Yeah. So, and I used there's a little vellum piece here. This XOXO is actually a little vellum piece, little puffy stuff. This was my BoBunny Stash Bash, and it was also a 500 subscriber hop celebration for Mel W Scrapping, or Scrapping, Mel W Scrapping. So make sure you check out her channel. That would have her link in there. But this was fun because this killed this BoBunny kit. This was from 2013, this kit, y'all, or this collection. So this turned out cute. I did add a few little 49 a Market baubles to it because I really only just had stickers left over. So this is when my little baby came home. I think it was a couple days old. She was only a couple days old here. She's so cute. Look at that. This is a Scraplift Crafternoon, and this was my good friend Evelyn, and I shared this video with her. She was very excited, and this was fun. This was a scrapbooking collection, and then there's definitely mixed media on here. This is a gilding paste on top of Distress Oxide ink. So this was fun. I had all these little scrappy themed things and some enamel dots. And I love this little ATG gun sticker, y'all. That's too cute. Here is my Counterfeit Kit Challenge. I think this was it. This was the challenge number 2, which would go up on May 18th. And the challenge was to use numbers in the background. So I had these little acrylic number things. I think it's acrylic. I don't know what this, it's plastic. And I kind of put those behind these little pinwheels. I was kind of proud of this one. I had a good time. I didn't have a sketch or anything. It was just me playing around. So it's my daddy and my bonus mama from 2004. So this was a fun layout here. I enjoyed that one. Here is another one of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge sets. I only had 3 layouts because I guess I didn't really make a big enough kit. There was some of these ladies that had so much to choose from, and I didn't have as much to choose from, although I was really happy with what I ended up. So I'm not sad about that, but I'm thinking maybe I need bigger kits. I don't know. But this is my little girl and my husband, and I did enjoy having this circle back here, and then there's a few layers. Then I did use mixed media back here as well. I used a little bit of mixed media this month, y'all. I'm kind of proud of myself. This is a hip kit collection. I do not recall. Oh, I guess it's February because it's the same little font here. I can tell by looking. I was trying to kill this kit, y'all. I have to finish these things up sometimes because new ones are coming and I got to make a spot. I thought this little swan with the crown was so cute with this because of my daughter. You know, she's a model and she's doing her hair and all that kind of stuff. I thought that was cute. I was really happy with this one. I thought this turned out really pretty. Well, then maybe this one's also fit. Did I just use that all month long, y'all? I guess I did. I did Scraplift Kristen over at Scrap It on the Fly. she had scraplifted somebody else, but I just had all these branding strips I wanted to use up in just this piece of paper. So this right here is actually from a different collection, or it's actually from a paper pad rather. So I needed to use all these branding strips, and she had done something with branding strips and I really liked it. So I went ahead and did it. This is a stamp here that came with the collection. And so I believe this is what killed my kit, actually. Little puffy hearts and stuff was from a different collection, but it went together. So this was me trying to kill up this kit, or this collection here. It was a Jubilee, I believe was the name of it, because I was using these cards out of it. I really like this paper here. No, wait a minute. Y'all, this might have been some kind of scrap lift too, because I remember there was something on the side over here that I didn't actually end up doing. But I love this title on here. It was like Laugh is a Daring Adventure. And this is my daughter and my husband on a little ATV excursion when they went to Arizona. So I thought this was so fun. I like that. And I did sprinkle some Tattered Angels maybe? Or no, it might have been Lindy's Stamp Game on there. It's in the video, y'all. I sprinkled that on there. This was a hip kit collection. This might have been fairly new. I feel like it might have been because I pulled it out. And I really liked how this... I feel like this was also some kind of lift because I remember the stripes being part of the challenge that we'd scrap lifted. So I think this was actually Scraplift Crafternoon, y'all. This is another one of my daughter's modeling pictures. Sometimes I just pull those out because they're easy to work with, if I'm honest. But I really enjoy this because of all the little flowers, and there's little butterfly stickers and stuff. And then this came off the sticker sheet. Yeah, this was a hip kit right here that had some Simply Stories kind of in there as the stickers. This one, I didn't have much of this paper left either. I basically just had this cardstock and then like, I think maybe some, I didn't have very much of it left, I guess is the point. So I cut into it. I saw this on Kiki Scraps a lot, and I think it's a paper issues type deal. And I loved how they had used just these torn pieces. And I really like that. And then this little pieces of torn out here. It was just really easy to use some of these pieces up, and I was really happy with that. And the rest of this is like stash, y'all. I had to just pull it out because I had nothing in the way of ephemera. It was all just paper. So this one was me killing the Cocoa Vanilla collection, and this circle had already been cut out. I had cut it out for a different layout at some point, and I initially thought to do a shaker pocket, and then I forgot to put the acetate on. So it was okay. I ended up still putting it up on foam because it creates that dimension, and I'm just putting yes, baby, I know. Little chipboard heart, things like that. And this, I turned this 4x6 into kind of a bigger photo mat. I think it's almost 5x7 to be honest. And then the little foam title. And I was really proud of myself for using my little chipboard piece up here too. These little banner pieces can be hard for me to use, so I'm really proud when I figured out how to do that. And this one is, what was I doing with this one? I think this is, oh, this was the Scrap Room Flavors of the Month, because I remember this little, just little bits of ephemeras and stuff. I used up almost all of it, I think. This was in the kit, and then these little foam bits and stuff like that. This is my daughter getting her senior pictures for the yearbook done. I thought this looked really pretty. I like this black cardstock on it. I thought this looked really pretty. And then this one's a bit of a bonus in the layout because this was actually, this paper was sent to me. I was actually sponsored for this one. They wanted me to take a look at it. And it's really pretty. I really love this violet color palette. We don't have enough purple in Scrapbooking World, y'all. And all these papers went together really pretty. It's a 6x6 pad, and you can watch that video for that review. But for a 6x6 pad, I thought I'd seen a bunch of layouts with like the little squares, and I thought, oh, that could be cute. And also, you don't need a ton of embellishment when you do something like that because there's already a bunch going on. So, and I use this little glassine bag. I've got a little bit over there of those I found in my stash a while back. So I used those. And then this was the little Queen and Company. I used a whole bunch of these little jewel things on here. So I was really happy with that one. And that's all I did this month, y'all. June starts the 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. So I will be working feverishly to get those done for you. And that should be something every day. And then there will be extras on certain days because there's certain days like Scraplift Afternoons. I have to follow those lifts versus the sketch. So you'll end up with a couple extra videos there. So those months I tend to end up with about 35, 36 videos. So y'all pray for me. It's a lot of work, but it's fun. So, all right, we will see you next time. Or actually, I'll see you tomorrow because it'll be June 1. And say hi, Saturn. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.